in North Phoenix, TSMC, confirming it has kicked off semiconductor chips production ahead of schedule.
Business is booming.
I think TSMC is a good steward of the environment. For me, as a Phoenix native, it's important that TSMC use as little resources as possible within our communities.
A lot of our engineering and everything that we do incorporate sustainability, because not only do we want to manufacture chips here for the near term, we want to do it for the decades to come.
We focus on how we can actually reduce our emissions and the stress on the environment. We have solar generating stations on our parking area, which produces over 14.5 megawatts of power that we actually send back to the grid.
We look at our air emissions, utilizing engineering controls to make sure that we're providing exhausted air at its cleanest.
Semiconductor manufacturing requires a lot of water, right around 4.5 million gallons per day for our first fab.
We're already reclaiming 65% of our water. We're also utilizing this time to think about how can we actually reclaim more water or put water back into the city of Phoenix. As we build out the industrial water reclamation facility, that's going to help us achieve a goal of around 90% of water reclaimed on our site.
That will diminish the demand on the Phoenix municipal water supply and ensure that we can continue to provide reliable supplies for everyone who needs it.
We have such positive feedback from our citizens when we talk about TSMC.
We've really felt that. We want to have our community happy with us. You can see the impact that we've had.
TSMC's efforts is the proof of our merit.
What I see when I arrive on the TSMC campus is Arizona's future.
They're such visionaries. They are never asking, why can't we do something? They're talking about how can we do something.